Hello, hi everyone. So this is video number 22, and it's a continuation of the last video. So here is uh, discussing all the eight skills and ability is difficult. It take long time, and to discuss and to give you lots of idea. I will try my best to explain one by one, but it's take long time. So here is the one which is very important for the project manager and for the leaders. That's called leadership. What is leadership? What is leader, and what leader can do? What the first important and the basic definition of a leader or a leadership as a project manager, so is the getting things done through others. Getting things done through others. So that's the leadership. And there are many types of leaders. Leadership but maybe I will make another video on that. Here is what is leadership. So a leader always inspire people. He give inspiration to people, and he inspire people to do things. And he used different words, some words, some gesture, some charisma, some style, and by that the people got inspired and they start like working. So that's called inspiration. Inspiration means that you got the motivation, or you just like to go and just start work, because that's what the leaders inspire people. And what they do is vision. So a leader is always a vision. So vision is a far-sighting achievement of the leaders. He make a vision in his mind, and then he plan it, and then he deliver it. So that's where the communication I told you is very important. So vision, and the vision is like result oriented. They explain result of that vision to the public or to the team members, and then the benefits of that vision. So the guys who working in the project, or the people who are following the leaders, they just say, oh, we will get this result and this will benefits our people. So that's the leadership a leader do. And another thing in the leadership in project management is participative and consultative. In the leadership uh, in project management, a leader use two style: participative and consultative. So participative and consultative leadership style is like when you participate with your project team and project members regarding your planning, organizing, and controlling. And consultative, so you consult different with different separately with all team members or combinedly, and that is all over the project from the beginning to the end. You have to do participative and consultative style of leadership. And what the other thing of the skills are the ability, a leadership uh, required is involvement and empowerment. So the team member, you must have to involve them and empower them. Well, you have to give them a duty. You have to assign the responsibility for each task in their respective field of the team members. And there you do the when you assign responsibility, so you also have to delegate the power and authority that in their task or in their work package, he can decide about some decision until unless as not goes behind the project budget and schedule. So by this way you empower the people. So that's the leadership empowerment. And actually the leaders are in other field also do the involvement and empowerment of the public and people. Well, the this is the fifth one is motivation, motivating team members. That's also come in the category of inspiration, but motivation mean you involve them in a meeting, parties, and everywhere. Some places, and you just give him you explain the benefits and result of the project, and they got motivated that we are doing something which has some benefit to public or to the project. What another thing the leadership should not do, like the leadership always have to avoid negative situation. Negative situation means like if if you are a project manager or a leader and you pass a comment on team member in front of a friend or people, a negative comment, derogatory comments or something, so that's create a negative situation. Or you give the job which is not according to their status or their degree, so it's something like leadership has to avoid. That's the quality. And what the leadership do, the project manager and the leadership, a leader do, they always give credit to people. Let's say if a project team member is engineer and he did very well on his, let's say he's developing a software and he did very well and he did his job on time and on budget. So if there is a meeting and the project manager take credit that I did, he did, but I did this, so no, he did it, the project team engineer did it, and he should be credited by some monetary, some party, pizza party, a lunch, dinner, some recognition, some certificate. So that's the leader do. They always give credit to the people. And for the project manager as a leader, he has to be a trustful and have high expectation of the project and his success. And the last one is for the leader is to be highly motivated individual. Well, definitely he will be motivated because he working in the project, so he has to motivate himself. There are different thing of motivation, so to keep on going. And the last but not the least, so the leadership always getting things done through others. So this is leadership project management. Here is a good saying. I think you can memorize this. It says, it's a good saying. There are those who make thing happens. There are those who make thing happens, and there are who let thing happens, and there are who those who wonder what happened. So it means there's some people make thing happens, and some people say let thing happens, and some people then wonder what happened. So this is the project manager leads by making thing happens. The first one is the project manager. So project manager is a leader. His role as a leader and mentor. So here is the book Successful Project Management, Guido and Clement, 5th edition. You can. It is said that there are those who make thing happens, those who let thing happens, and those who wonder what happened. So the project manager leads by making thing happens. And a very good reference to this is Successful Project Manager by Guido and Clement, 5th edition. So thank you guys. So in this video I discuss leadership and what he or she has to do to be a good leader and to run the project. Thank you. Bye.